Whenever you make notes inside of Google Keep, what is happening is it is behaving in a certain way. And if you want to change out those certain behaviors, then what you can do is you can change around the settings of Google Keep. So to do that, you need to click on the gear icon right here by clicking on settings. And then what you can do is over here, you can see notes and lists is an option. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that certain features are turned on. For example, it says add new items to the bottom right here, just like this. So whenever new items over here are added in, you can see that it gets added into the bottom of the list right here. But if I were to go around under settings right here and uncheck the add new items to bottom right here, then what happens is that you can see that now the list item is on the top right here. So this is how you can go around and change around the behavior. So it says add new items to the bottom or the top right here. And you can see that move checked items to bottom is here as well. So if I were to go around over here and click, you can see that the checked items move on to the bottom. But if I were to go around and turn it, let's say off right here, let's see how it behaves now. Press the check item and you can see it does not move on to the bottom. So that is what you have right here. Apart from that, you have display rich link previews right here. So if you add in link, then previews will be displayed as well. And you can enable the dark theme from over here as well, just like this, as you can see, or go into settings and disable it from here. So apart from that, you can see that there are reminder settings, like you can add in reminder defaults to morning, afternoon, and evening. And you can see that you can also enable and disable the sharing option that you have right here. So that is how you can go around and change around the settings in Google Keep, just like this. And that is how you can change the behavior of how Google Keep keeps notes. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.